Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the tutorial of the solution keyboard not appearing in Google Docs Mobile. So if you guys are new to Google Docs in mobile, or you are confused or where is the keyboard in Google Docs, so I'm gonna show you in this video. So first, let's say you open a file in Google Docs, and when you open the file, you want to edit it, but the keyboard is not showing. So it's probably because you haven't clicked on the edit feature. So you need to click on the pencil icon at the bottom like this, and then after that the keyboard will be showing up like this at the bottom of your screen in your mobile. Okay guys, so that's the solution of keyboard not appearing in Google Docs. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.